y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. Right. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it.
What up, legendary viewers? Y'all already know what's going on. Whole lot of lit vibes, whole lot of lit situations. Listen, today, first of all, check out the shape. Yeah, I had to go get a shape up, because I got things going on and I'm moving, grooving, doing different things. But listen, today, I'm gonna take y'all with me outside. We finna do some activities with the car. I gotta fix this nozzle where the windshield washer fluid comes out. So y'all about to do it with me. We about to party. Well, not party, but we about to fix this joint. Y'all finna go through it with me. And we finna just have a good time. So tap in, stay tapped in. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you know when I'm dropping another banger. Y'all already know what's going on. Lit vibes, lit situation like we had. Let's get it. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. We out here. Y'all know. Got my ladder, my tweezers. That's the only tool they say I'm gonna need to fix it. So we're gonna see. Alright. Now I got the piece in the car. Well, let me put my hair back up. I had to take it down. I was showing the guy my hair. Hold on. I don't want my bun to mess up. I don't want my hair to get dirty. Hold on. Alright, so yeah, it's this piece right here that's messed up. Right there, so makes it on. Y'all may gotta take it to get fixed. Cause look, it's stuck right in there. Unless I could get another one of these, but still, how do you even get that one out? It gotta, let me see something. It gotta twist. If I could get another one of these. That joint's stuck on there too. I'm gonna have to probably take it to the dealer. Or not the dealer. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take it to my dealer. Cause I'm not gonna be able to fix it. I'm not probably gonna be able to fix it. Cause I can't get it out of there. It's stuck in here. Look, it's stuck in here. And back up, I forgot. And I gotta figure out that I could probably, this will probably hold big enough to bring it all the way through to clip. But once it's in there, how you click it off? Because right now, this part is gone, right? It's only this part. So we can't even clip it. Like, you feel me? We can't even clip it. Maybe though. I'm just not tall enough. Let me see. Hold on. Y'all know I try to do my best to do my 1-2. Like, so I may hit you over the 1-2 or we may be done with it. I'm gonna just take it to the shop. And just take the pieces that I got and just rock out like that. Just take the pieces that I got. It's hot. Anyway, y'all, it's 90 degrees. Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you know when I'm dropping another banger. It's like we on adventures. We doing adventures for the rest of the summer. The rest of the summer into the winter, the rest of the year. We doing adventures. We doing things we never done. And we getting it lit. So tap in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
How y'all feel out there?
I'm light years, call me eons. When the snare kick in, the beat is neon. Lights, yeah, I'm feeling magnificent. Care less what I'm up against. Yeah, you know I stay fresh like peppermint. And I dive head first when I jump in it. I run it back like a champ, won't fumble it.